we might actually be able to keep this video under 2 minutes today. So on this week's 2 Minute Tuesday, we are talking about tire rotation. Most of you guys may already know this. To others, it might be new info. And even though we don't sell tires, I thought it'd be nice to share some useful information with you guys. Now, Subaru actually suggests you do this every 6,000 miles or 6 months, whatever comes first. So basically every oil change. And the reasoning behind this is to help even out the tire wear and prolong the life of your tire. Now, there's basically 3 different routes you can take when you are rotating your tires. If you happen to have non-directional tires, you can do the rearward cross, where you take the rear tires, move them to the front, and then the front right goes to the opposite corner, the back left, and the front left goes to the back right. Otherwise, you can do the X pattern, where you basically crisscross, and the front left goes to back right, and the back right goes to the front left, and vice versa. Now, if you happen to have performance wheels that are usually directional, you can't really do that crisscross pattern without unmounting your tires and remounting them, which usually isn't a viable option for most of us. So what you're gonna do instead is just move the front to the rear and the rear to the front. And that basically covers it, guys. It's a simple thing to do while you're doing the oil change. Some people like to do it every other oil change, but do keep in mind this is going to be beneficial to you. So if you didn't already know, now you know, and I'll see you guys next time.